Hello, we are not available now.
Might be or throwing up.
I'm gonna fucking.
No, do it again. Power
Hold
ringer.
on. I'm going fucking real sideways here. I got
Funny
this
wise?
shit.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I got it.
If it's screaming, she's just gonna pull.
No, I'm
Yeah.
just gonna fucking all.
Nope. You should cancel on
Hit it again. Oh. Put on speaker.
Yours doesn't use the Wi-Fi to make phone calls?
Yeah, that's the only way to make phone calls.
Oh, okay. Right.
Hello?
Ken,
Yeah.
listen, we gotta talk about that piece of property. I want it in 50%, maybe even 60%. I gotta get in here on that piece of property.
Why?
Things are going through the roof. I've just watched the market, and we got to get in on that piece of property.
They won't fucking move though. That's the
No.
problem.
Don't worry about it. We'll take it for 90.
No, get the fuck out of here.
Oh yes.
That's too much.
No. Don't worry about it. Let me talk to mom. We're gonna get it.
She don't want to talk. She's out of her mind right now.
I hope so.
She is.
Ken,
What?
I need to talk to mom.
She's fucking loaded.
No.
Of course she
I
is.
shit-
It's
I shit
Saturday.
You want to talk
It's-
to her?
Yeah.
Here she is. Just a minute.
Come on.
All right, I'll talk to her. Here.
Ask her about breakfast.
Ma,
Hello?
Ma, we need breakfast sausage. We're gonna come over right now. We have to cook breakfast sausage, and potentially the corned beef and hash. That's what we have. We have to have hash, corned beef hash. We're coming over.
Kidding me?
We're coming over right now for breakfast. And if we're not gonna eat corned beef hash, we're gonna have a problem.
I don't think we do have a problem. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. My dog is sitting here. She's like, oh my god, oh my god. Oh
Mom,
my god.
we need to eat corned beef hash, and we're on our way. We just warmed up the car, and we're gonna buy the property behind the house.
Okay.
All right? Tell Ken we're going in halvesies on the fucking property.
And guess what? I'm asleep.
Hey,
I'm
listen,
the last one.
Quit-
I'm the last.
quit bullshitting.
Ma, what are you?
There's too many cars down at Cheers Bar, and we're gonna buy the property behind your house.
Did she hang up? No. Ma!
Hey. Come hang up.